Welcome to the Info World Galaxy 10th class guest paper physics new scheme 2023. Knowledge base 50%, understanding base 35%, application base 15%. Knowledge base questions 50%. Question number 1, define regular reflection and irregular reflection. 2. What are the laws of reflection of light? 3. Write down uses of spherical mirrors. 4. Define mirror formula or mirror equation. Also write of an equation. 5. Write down the law of refraction. What is Snell law? What is refractive index? Write down the method to calculate the refractive index. 7. What is meant by critical angles? 8. What is meant by angle of deviation? 9. Define power of lens and its unit. 10. What are two characteristics of focus of a concave and a convex mirror? 11. What is a telescope and types of telescope? 12. Define electric field intensity. 13. State the Coulomb's law. 14. What is meant by electrical potential? 15. Define farad. 16. What is meant by capacitance? 17. Define electrostatics. 18. Why it is very dangerous in swim in the open sea or hide under a tree during thunderstorm. 19. Enlist few uses of capacitor fields. 20. Derive the formula for the equivalence capacitance for a series combination of a number of capacitors. 21. What are the hazards of static electricity? 22. What is difference between variable and fixed type capacitors? 23. What is meant by oscillation? 24. How spring affect the value of K? 25. Define waves. 26. What is the function of restoring force during oscillatory motion? 27. Which type of forces are acting on a displaced pendulum? 28. When the ball is at the center of the bowl, what will be the next force? 29. What is equal to r is the displacement of an object in a simple harmonic motion when kinetic and potential energy are equal. 30. Define longitudinal waves. 31. What is tuning fork? 32. Define sound. 34. Define loudness of sound and what are the factors affecting it. 35. Define the quality of a sound with an example. 36. State Webb-Fisher law. 37. Define system international unit of sound. 38. Calculate the frequency of sound wave of speed 340 meter per second and wavelength 0.5 meter. 39. What is noise pollution? Explain its sources and effects, how it is reduced. 40. What is silent whistle and why it is called so? 41. What are ultrasonic and why they are used in our life? 42. How we can find the depth of sea? 43. What is sonar? 44. Define pitch of sound. What is the relation between pitch and frequency of sound? 45. What is the audible frequency range for human ear? 46. What is meant by conventional current? 47. How a galvanometer is converted into voltmeter. 48. How galvanometer is converted into ammeter. 49. State and explain Ohm's law. Write down its limitations. 50. Define resistance and its unit. 51. State Joule's law. 52. Define kilowatt hour. 53. Differentiate between AC and DC. 54. What are live and natural neutral wires? 55. Define fuse and write down its principle. 56. What is circuit breaker? Also write down its principle. 57. What is right hand grip rule? 58. State Fleming's left hand rule. 59. What is DC motor? 60. Describe working principle of DC motor. 61. State Faraday law of electromagnetic induction. 62. Define mutual induction. 63. Define self induction. 64. Define transformer. 65. Define step down and step up transformer. 66. Prove that Lenz's law is a manifestation of the law of conservation of energy. 68. What is relay circuit? 69. Define electronics. 70. What do you understand by thermionic emission? 71. When and who discovered electron? 72. What is cathode rays oscilloscope? 73. Explain the differences between analog and digital electronics. 74. What is byte and byte? 75. Write the truth table of NAND gate. 76. NAND gate is the reciprocal of AND gate. Discuss. 78. What is difference between data and information? 79. Define the term information technology and telecommunication. 80. What are the components of information technology? 81. What is the difference between hardware and software? 82. What is meant by modulation? 83. What is meant by optical fiber? 84. Difference between input and output device. 85. Difference between primary and secondary memory. 86. What is floppy disk? 89. What is HTML? 90. Define word processing. 91. What are nucleons? 92. Difference between atomic number and atomic mass number. 93. What are radioactive isotopes? 94. What is the use of alpha, beta and gamma radiation? 95. What do you know about half-life? 96. What is meant by penetrating ability? 97. How can radioactive help in the treatment of cancer? 98. What is a radioactive tracer? Describe one application each in medicine, agriculture and in industry. 99. Write a note on Einstein mass energy equation. 100. Define fusion reaction. 101. Discuss uses and the hazards of radiations. 102. Write the difference between fission reaction and fusion reaction. 103. What is meant by half-life radioactive elements? Thank you for watching and good luck to all of you.